Rapid test kits flew off the shelves in Alberta last month, and now most pharmacies are out. The Alberta government says the supply chain is to blame.
I know that the federal government is distributing it on a per capita basis, and our government is also going out to purchase tests to get them in the hands of Albertans as quickly as possible.
It's a different story for our neighbors to the east. I'm from a small village in Saskatchewan. So small you can't see it on a map unless you zoom in all the way. Now there it is. Now residents in this small town of about 100 people can get their hands on a rapid test, but you can't here in Alberta. Located on Main Street in Jansen, Saskatchewan is the Parkland Regional Library. They just received a shipment of rapid test kits yesterday.
I believe I received 108, and would you know, 40 of the kits went out yesterday, and I've had calls again since.
Carol Negabar says she hasn't had any issues getting her hands on rapid test kits in Saskatchewan. My family says the same.
I had no difficulties getting them when I would go into grocery shop.
The contrast between Saskatchewan and Alberta is simply shocking.
On Tuesday, Minister Copping says Saskatchewan opened public access to rapid testing earlier than Alberta did. Health critic for the opposition NDP says the lack of rapid tests in Alberta traces back to the UCP's lack of preparedness.
Jason Kenney and the UCP repeatedly act last, act least, drag their feet, fail to be prepared, refuse to take the steps that I think any responsible government would take to help curb the spread of the pandemic.
There is no set delivery date for when the next shipment of rapid tests will come to Alberta, but Minister Copping says rapid testing will be in Albertans' hands by the end of the month, which is just a few short days away. In Edmonton, Laura Krause, City News.